Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daydran. Buju Banton releases first visual for his 14th studio album, Born for Greatness. A Met Gala unveils a theme for the 2024 staging. The 2024 Met Gala will see scores of specially invited guests flocking the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York City, dressed under the theme Sleeping Beauty's Reawakening Fashion, focusing on treasured garments from the Costume Institute of the Metropolitan Museum of Art. The show, which launches on May 6, will include over 250 items spanning 4 centuries, all of which will be placed in glass cases in an ode to Sleeping Beauty. Curator Andrew Bolton, who manages the Met's fashion exhibitions, aims to bring the collection to life by exposing visitors to clothing through other senses such as sight, smell, and sound. Puerto Rican singer and rapper Bad Bunny fumes over AI-generated track. As voice replication AI continues to be of concern, Bad Bunny has shared his disdain with the software following the release of an AI-generated track titled Demo Number 5 Nostalgia, which mimics his voice. The rapper and the singer shared on his WhatsApp channel, which was then shared by fans on X, formerly Twitter, on Wednesday, that if you guys like that song on TikTok, that viral song, then leave my group right now. You guys don't deserve to be my friends. He went on to explain that his most recent album was made in an effort to weed out fake fans, and that those who are a fan of the song are not welcomed to his tour. Ouch. Now, Nicki Minaj bears it all in Vogue's December issue. Now, the queen of rap, Nicki Minaj, graces the cover of Vogue's December issue, opening up about motherhood and her upcoming album Pink Friday 2. The rapper stated that navigating motherhood has been one of the most difficult phases of her life.
When you enter into the picture a little human being, everything you thought you knew goes out the window about life. I never thought motherhood would feel like a difficult problem to solve in school.
She added that becoming a mother required her to make adjustments to her life, and that being pregnant was one of the hardest stages of her life.
This is a lot more than I anticipated, and not that I can't program my brain like a machine like I can do and have done for my whole life, but because I don't want to. You don't want to be a machine anymore when you're a mama.
Minaj also revealed that working on her upcoming album Pink Friday 2 was a form of therapy following news that her dad was hit by a vehicle.
This album has been so therapeutic because so much life has happened in the last 5 years for me. I have a song when my father got hit by a car and they called me and told me that they were at the hospital and stuff like that. I wrote a song detailing what that feels like.
Pink Friday 2 becomes available on December 8. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daydran. Thank you for watching.